Hi, I'm Dale Watkins, Group Manager of Commercial Sales and Strategy at Rinnai Australia. Innovation's at the core of our engineering process. We're building a number of commercial HVAC systems for the Ceres Perdaman project in Western Australia. These are 230 kilowatt systems, the biggest product we have in our range. Our client needed a robust, reliable solution capable of withstanding the harshest conditions within the mining industry. They are highly customised to suit the specific application and will last the test of time. We had to use corrosion-resistant materials throughout the whole unit. We had to incorporate advanced filtration systems to maintain durability and performance. So in our 2 production facilities in Melbourne, Australia, we have over 150 dedicated personnel. We have a dedicated engineering team, and we also have a NADA-approved test facility. The complete production and manufacturing process is done on site here at Braeside. We're not relying on external suppliers to deliver on time. We're in complete control of that production phase. We have a number of systems in place throughout the manufacturing process to check quality and reliability. We're continually investing in research and development to develop advanced HVAC technologies and improve energy efficiencies, reducing environmental impact and meet the evolving and ever-growing needs of our clients. APAC has been in Australia for 50 years now, servicing the mining, defence industries, hospitals, shopping centres, sporting facilities, anything with a large open area that needs consistent climate control. APAC has the right solution.